Hey you guys, welcome back today for a cozy fall morning routine. And I just want to start off by saying this is by no means my everyday morning routine. I set aside this specific morning to do all things fall, all things cozy for you guys, and I really enjoy this day. So I started off my morning with a 30-minute workout before everybody woke up. My husband was home, so that helped. Thank you to Cosway for sending me this workout bike. I've worked with them numerous times before, like the huge canopy tent for my barbecue and my garage makeover. I highly recommend giving their site a look. They have a variety of things, a ton of different things. You can literally find almost everything and you cannot beat their prices. After my workout, I went ahead to make breakfast so that my family could wake up to their breakfast all ready and made, and I decided to make pumpkin French toast. It's basically the same ingredients as French toast, but you're adding in pumpkin puree, and oh my gosh, you guys, if I could, I would literally stop making French toast and make pumpkin French toast because it was so good, and I'll leave the recipe here for you guys to screenshot that. I then topped it off with some maple whipped cream that you can get from Target, as well as some fall sprinkles from Hobby Lobby, and of course some maple syrup. It was so good, you guys. You need to try this. For drinks, I made my husband a pumpkin spice coffee by just adding a pumpkin spice creamer, and because I don't drink coffee, I just made this pumpkin hot chocolate bomb, and I got both of these things from Target. As we watched breakfast, I went ahead and put on Hocus Pocus because my husband has never watched it, and I swear it's almost a sin. It's so nostalgic to me to watch this movie because I remember as a kid watching this on fall and Halloween, and actually 10 days from the date that this video goes live, Hocus Pocus 2 will finally be coming out on Disney Plus. So if you've been waiting 10 plus years just like me for Hocus Pocus 2 to come out, then definitely mark your calendars for September 30th on Disney Plus. And after breakfast, I just went ahead and cleaned up, and then we finished watching the movie. I took a shower and got ready for the day. So since my husband was home, we decided to go apple picking. It was such a fun experience. I went pumpkin picking, but never went apple picking. We also picked up some apple cider donuts. They were fresh and they were so good. I went home, I washed my apples, and then I decided to do a simmer pot. I've been seeing these a lot, but I have never tried one. And after doing this one, you guys, I honestly cannot believe I have not tried one. I just cut up some oranges and then the apples that we picked, added some cinnamon sticks, some pumpkin spice, and as well as a little bit of vanilla extract, and my entire house smelled like a, I don't know, like a oven that was baking pumpkin pie and all things fall. It was so delicious and even reached to the second floor of my house. And it was, I just love the way that it smelled. So definitely, if you guys just want to have a cozy fall day, I would recommend doing a simmer pot. So the simmer pot is where the morning ended, but I did want to include this in this video because this was later on in the day. We got a pumpkin from Target as well as their carving kit and pumpkin lights, and I just wanted to carve a pumpkin and share it with you guys. This was actually my first time carving a pumpkin. It was a lot more work than I thought, but it was so fun, and I think I did great for the first time. We did great. We did it as a family, and I'm just including this in here even though it was part of our afternoon and night. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you cozy vibes. I will see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this video and you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. I will see you guys in the next one, God willing, as always.